Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. I am continuing the series of C++ tutorials, and I'm going to do again a tutorial about relationship between array and pointer. This time I'm going to make an application which will demonstrate that we can use a pointer itself to get the entire content of the array and to display all the content of the array in a console by assigning the name of the array to the pointer. So I'm going to start this application by declaring this constant integer named index, assigned by 5 semicolon. On the other line I'm going to declare an integer array, and I'm going to use the name of the constant integer as a subscript or index for this array, and I'm going to assign this array with 5 values, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 semicolon. Here you go. And on this line I'm going to declare a pointer using this indirection operator, and the name of pointer would be PA, semicolon. On this line I'm going to assign this pointer PA by this name of the array, namely A semicolon, and this way actually this pointer PA will get the address of the first array element. So I need a loop, either for or a while, to be able to go through to the entire elements of this array. Using this pointer PA, and hopefully you have noticed that I haven't used the indirection operator, namely this asterisk before the pointer. Okay, to demonstrate that actually in this way, by assigning this the name of the array A to this pointer PA, we will get the first the address of the first array element. I'm going to display in a console the content of this PA pointer using this indirection operator, the name of the pointer PA, std and line. Here you go. So let's run this application in console. Here you go. So I get the first value, actually the value of the first array element, 10, as you can see, because I dereferenced this pointer using the indirection operator, namely this asterisk before the pointer. But if I remove this indirection operator and I run again this application, you will see we will get in the console the address of the first array element. As you can see, we've got the address of this element with the value 10 and subscript 0 actually, or index 0. So to go through all this array A, we have to use a loop. I'm going to use for loop. I'm going to declare inside this parentheses, for loop parentheses, an integer variable I assigned by 0 semicolon. I must be less than index, which has the value 5 semicolon, and incrementer operator I++. Here you go. Next line, I'm going to use this cout object, and here I'm going to use the pointer itself. Here I'm going to write actually inside the brackets parentheses the I variable. Yeah, std and line. Here you go. So have you noticed that I haven't used before this pointer PA, the indirection operator? Yeah, and after the pointer I use these square brackets, and inside the square brackets this increment operator I. So let's display now this application. Let's run this application and display the content of the array in console. Here you go. Actually we get the content, the old content of this array A in console, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As you can see, I can cut off this line using these symbols for comments. Yeah, or you can use this way as well to get the content of entire array. So I'm going to use here this cout object to display in console this text. Display again the content of the array, std and line. Here you go. Yeah, and because I'm going to use again for loop, I'm going to copy and paste these lines here, and instead of this pointer I'm going to use the name of the array as a pointer. So I'm going to use the indirect operation, the name of pointer, and the increment operator I. Here you go. Let's run again this application. Yes, here you go. As you are seen in a console, we get again the entire content of this array A using this method now, using as a pointer the name of the array A and this I increment operator. As you can see, either you use this method by using this pointer itself assigned by the name of the array, or you are using the array as a pointer together with the increment operator. You will get the same result. Also, hopefully you have noticed that here I haven't used the indirection operator for this pointer. If you're going to use the indirection operator, you will get error. As you can see here, already I received this curly underscore here, underline, which means that with the red color, which means I've got here an error. So you don't use please the indirection operator before the pointer in this case if you want to get the entire content of the array. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.